Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add a credit card to OpenArt. So adding a credit card here is done through the billing payment settings, and it works like most online platforms that use secure processors like Strip. So actually guys, to do that you will need to go to the billing settings or just click on your profile picture at the top right and go with subscription. Okay, so once you click on subscription right here, you will need to go with the credits pack section on the subscription tab and just click on upgrade to advanced to unlock. Right, so once you click here, you will need just to go and choose a plan right here. So for example, we will set an example with the advanced plan. Click on subscribe button and then just choose cards. Enter your bank card or your credit card credentials right here, like the numbers, the dates and CVC, your full name, and also your region. Okay, and then just choose bank from here and then go with subscribe. So this is where you connect your credit card, and as I told you, we'll need as well to fill in the card number, expiration date, CVV or CVC, and billing address. Then click save or add card or subscribe, and this follows the standard process used by most platforms. So just enter the details, then save, and card becomes available for payments each time you want to pay on the OpenArt. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.